Why aren't my website's visitors buying anything from me? If you are driving traffic to your website but not seeing any resulting sales, don't despair. There are a number of potential reasons why this could be happening. In this video, we'll explore some of the most common reasons why you might be getting traffic but no sales, and offer some solutions for how to fix the problem. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Poor website design. When it comes to e-commerce, there is no level of success that is too high. From the simplest products to the most complex listings, there is something for everyone on the internet. However, no matter what product you are selling, no sale can be made without good graphic and user experience design. In order to have a successful online store, you need to take a look at the overall design and layout. A highly rated store theme will help you to have a sales-optimized e-commerce store without having to spend a lot of time and effort. You can always customize the theme with your own images and minor tweaks to the layout, so you can perfectly match your target audience. 2. Low-quality images. If you're looking to make an online store, it's important to think about what type of look you want. Some people prefer blurry images because they think it makes the store look more amateurish. However, this can actually backfire and make your customers feel angry and scammy. It's better to use high-quality, original images for your general website design and for your product pages. You can also use TinyImg to compress your images without compromising the quality. You should also provide images that give your visitors a good idea of the quality and usefulness of your products. To make sure your customers feel confident about buying from you, you should also provide close-up shots of features you want to highlight. This will give your customers a good idea of the quality and usefulness of your products. 3. Generic product descriptions. Many times, poorly written descriptions are the reason for low sales. Make sure you avoid common mistakes, such as grammar and spelling errors, and unappealing descriptions. Instead, focus on writing descriptions that actually describe the products you're selling. Highlight benefits and special features, and use storytelling techniques to evoke emotions. Most importantly, make sure you use sensory words to convey how the products feel, look, smell, or sound. This will help customers feel a sense of ownership and want to buy them. If you're able to communicate these benefits effectively, you'll be able to get customers to buy your product. It's important to remember that your descriptions must be helpful, informative, and compelling, so make sure to focus on all of these factors when writing. 4. Poorly optimized checkout. If you're looking to sell your products, you want to make sure that your checkout process is as user-friendly as possible. One way to do this is by having a professional-looking design, well-written content, and the presence of payment security badges. This will make shoppers feel confident about providing personal and financial information. One of the top reasons for cart abandonment is that shoppers have to create an account before buying anything. This can be a difficult process for first-time customers. It's better to provide them with the means to complete their purchases without having to register. This will increase the likelihood of shoppers buying from you. If you have a good checkout process, you'll be able to sell more products and make more money. Make sure that you take advantage of the opportunities that your process provides and improve it to make the most of your customers. 5. Unclear return policies. The return policy for an e-commerce store is an important part of the business. Recently, research has shown that 92% of shoppers will buy again if returns are easy. 79% want free shipping for returns. 67% study return policies before checking out. When it comes to returning items, e-commerce stores have a lot of competition. Most of the time, their policies are better than those of their competitors. For example, most of the time, Amazon allows customers to return items within 30 days of receipt. Walmart, however, does not offer this perk. In addition, Walmart charges a fee for returns. In contrast, Amazon offers a free return policy for customers who have purchased items at least once. This policy is also offered by other online retailers, such as Walmart and eBay. As an e-commerce store, it is important to have a return policy in place that is easy to understand and follow. Your policy should provide your shoppers with confidence that they're buying from you, and that their returns are risk-free. Most importantly, make sure your policy matches the needs of your customers. For example, if you have a limited return policy, make sure that your competition does too. By understanding the needs of your customers, you can create a policy that is better suited for your business. 6. You don't know your audience well enough. When it comes to content, it's important to know what your audience wants and needs. If you don't know what they want or need, your attempts to sell the product will be just a waste of breath. For example, if you're an 𝐜𝐤𝐤 dropship affiliate, you need to know what the target audience looks like. In the first place, it consists of the people who seek the ways to get some passive income. It could be teenagers, moms on maternity leave, or just people who want to gain financial independence and gain a better quality of life. If you start your content with a huge tutorial about building a dropshipping store right off the bat, you risk leaving the audience cold. You need to know what the audience wants and needs before you start writing. 7. Your content is not unique. If you're getting traffic to your blog but no sales, one possible reason could be the quality of your content. You may be attracting readers, but if your content is unoriginal or uninteresting, they may not be motivated to buy anything from you. To convert your traffic into sales, try creating unique content that provides value to your readers. For instance, if you're an affiliate for 𝐜𝐤𝐤 Dropship, you could write about your personal experience using the 𝐜𝐤𝐤 Dropship plugin. Tell your readers what made you choose the product, what difficulties you encountered and how you resolved them, and what benefits you've seen since using it. If you don't have any personal experience with 𝐜𝐤𝐤 Dropship, you can still provide valuable content by researching the product and sharing your findings. Whatever approach you take, make sure your content is original and informative, and you should see your sales start to increase. 8. You aren't gathering reviews. As a business owner, you know that reviews are important. But you may not know just how important they are to the success of your business. Customers are much more likely to convert into paying customers when they see positive reviews from other customers. This helps to build trust in your brand, especially for smaller businesses. While it may be tempting to display reviews only on your own website in a way that is aesthetically pleasing, it is more important to have reviews on reputable third-party platforms like Google or Facebook. This helps new customers authenticate the feedback they see. Of course, you should also encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews on these platforms. A simple request at the end of a transaction can go a long way. 9. You're not nurturing your leads. You're getting people to your website or social media page, which is great. But if you're not doing anything to encourage them to come back, you're not going to stay top of mind for very long. So how can you keep your business at the forefront of your customers' minds? It's rare that a new customer who has no previous experience with your business is going to purchase immediately. Most people need some time to mull things over, do some research, and compare options before they're ready to buy. That's why it's important to focus on nurturing your leads, rather than just trying to get them to purchase right away. By providing valuable content, staying in touch with your leads, and offering deals and discounts, you can encourage those on-the-fence customers to take the leap and purchase from you. With a little effort, you can turn one-time buyers into lifelong fans. 10. You don't look good on mobile. You've been running some great social media campaigns, and as a result, you've seen a significant increase in website traffic. But there's a problem: your website isn't optimized for mobile users, and as a result, you're losing out on potential sales. It's important to make sure that your website is formatted correctly for mobile users and that there is a clear way to navigate around the page. Buttons should be visible and easy to click on, and the overall design should be user-friendly. If your website isn't optimized for mobile users, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to increase sales and grow your business. Take the time to make the necessary changes and you'll see a big difference in your bottom line. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.